Welcome back to day 4 of my Vlogmas. Today we're gonna bake some red velvet cake balls made with beetroot and also gluten-free and no refined sugar. We're gonna start with mixing the dry ingredients. A 120 grams of buckwheat flour. Now 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Here you can put 2 teaspoons too, but I'm not sure if the red is gonna be very bright, so that's why I decided to only put 1 teaspoon because I want a bright red of baking powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And a pinch of salt. Here you can also add a little bit of cinnamon for extra taste, so I think I will add just a little bit. A little bit of my secret ingredient. Preheat the oven now. This is electric with a fan. Preheat it at 160 degrees. So here we need to add 1 large egg, but I'm gonna add 2 because mine are quite small. Here you add some honey, depends how sweet you want to have it. I'll probably just add like 2 or 3 spoons. You can add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, or if you don't have oil, you can use unsalted butter. Here you can use buttermilk, but I'm gonna use coconut milk instead. It's around 5 tablespoons of coconut milk. And now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to create the acidity with the milk. The coconut is ready. Now we're gonna add 120 grams of beetroot. This is cooked beetroot. It needs to be pureed, so I'm just gonna grate it. This is a bit messy, so yeah, if you can puree it and put it in a blender, it's easier. This is the first time doing this recipe, so yeah, I'm really curious how it's gonna turn out. Now we are whisking it all together. Now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients and add them to the wet mixed ingredients. I've lined the dish with some coconut oil, and now we're gonna add the mixture. Now we're gonna make the cream. We're gonna use 120 grams of yogurt. Now we're gonna add the cashews. it's good to soak them for at least 3 hours. Here you can add around 100 grams of cashews, depends how much cream you want. Now we're gonna add some honey. Here the same, depends how sweet you like it. I'm gonna let it rest at room temperature. It's a few minutes left until the sponge is ready, so we're gonna open the coffee advent calendar to see what we have in day 4. Let's see what we have today. Hints of creamy toffee. Origin Bolivia, roast medium. Bolivian coffee is rare, and this one is rarer still. It's grown by smallholder farmers trained through Sol de la Mañana, which translates the sun of the morning. This looks very nice and it smells amazing. I can't believe it. I think it still needs a little bit longer, I would say. I'm gonna let it for another 5 minutes. Peg and day 4. Let's see what we have here. Day 4. Cauliflower, wow, this looks crazy. I've never tried this kind of cauliflower before. Did you try it? Let me know in the comments how you cook it and how it is. It dates from 500 years ago in Italy and was originally called Romanesco broccoli. I never knew this before. Sometimes it is also called Brocco flower, but this name is used more widely to describe all green colored cauliflower varieties. Seeds can be also sown outdoors in a well-prepared seed bed from April to June. I saw this one before in the market, but I didn't dare to buy it. It just looks too crazy for me. But yeah, it would be nice to try a recipe with it. Let's put it back in the envelope and put it together with the other ones. I would say another 3 minutes. While we are waiting for the sponge to be ready, I want to show you my HomeSense haul that I bought yesterday. The alarm went off, so let's check it out. I would say it's ready. We don't want it to get too dry. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, so I got this shiny snowflake to put it at the top of the tree. I'll probably decorate the tree in the following days. So yeah, I really needed one of these. Next, I bought this cute gingerbread man on ice skates. I really love it. I'm thinking to put it in the kitchen maybe. Okay, let's see. What's next? I bought a nice glass teapot. I had one before but I broke it, so I got another one. Okay, some cute napkins with horse design. The shop yesterday had so many Christmas decorations, but it's good to be mindful and not buy everything and think for a bit if you actually need the things. I also bought some kitchen towels. They are so nice. They are 100% cotton. I feel like this design also fits with autumn and winter too. So yeah, they are very, very nice. And I also bought some oven gloves because, as you saw, I only had one. So yeah, this is the design. It's artichokes. Okay, and here I bought another apron. I think this one we bought it from Dunelm. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear it. I really love the frills. Very lovely design. So yeah, that's all I bought. And yeah, let's try the coffee now because probably it's cooled down. This one is definitely a bit bitter than the one yesterday, but it's still very lovely. So we're gonna crumble the cake now. It looks quite red at the top, I don't know inside, so let's see. This is how it looks. Some on the tray on the side, and we're gonna bake it for a bit so it gets nice and crispy to decorate. Gonna do like a thin layer like this for decorations. They look amazing. Probably need to keep them a bit more in the fridge for the cream to settle in. So I want to try one to see how they are. So let's see. Very nice taste.